How to create talking AI avatars with HeyGen. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with creating your own talking AI avatars. Whether you're trying to use a pre-built avatar or if you're trying to convert yourself into one, you can easily create some amazing content using these AI avatars, and they're simpler than ever to access and use. Now, I'm going to show you guys a sample of one of the videos I've created using these AI avatars, and I'll show you guys how you can create one as well. So this is one of the videos, and this is what it looks like. Just like so. And this is the AI avatar talking over our particular background, and then the AI avatar is present in a different scene. And just like so, you can create your own videos as well. Now, to get started, simply head on over into HeyGen.com, and then you're going to sign up for free. Signing up is completely free, and they have two different price plans available. We will be discussing pricing at the end of this video. Now, going back into HeyGen, this is what the dashboard is going to look like once you sign up. To get started with your own avatar, you're going to go into avatars on the left. Now, you can choose to purchase more avatars or simply click on create new avatar. Now, you have two options whenever you're creating an avatar. If you want to build your own custom avatar, you can start with the video and upload a video of yourself. The video has some prerequisites, such as clear lighting, as well as a simple direction of the video, as well as the mouth being visible at all times. This is going to allow the AI tool to recognize the voice and create a hyper-realistic AI avatar. However, if you don't want to use the video method, you can also start with a photo. You can upload your own photo or design with the help of AI. Now, I'm going to design with the help of AI, and I want to name my avatar Lily. So I'm just going to enter the name over here. Once I enter the name, I'm going to choose the age. I want this to be a young adult, and we can specify the ethnicity. So I want this to be a Middle Eastern female. And then after that, we're going to describe our avatar. So you guys can see there are certain sample prompts as well. And after that, I'm going to specify the environment. So a woman wearing beautiful white ruffle blouse standing in an office. Once you have described the appearance of your avatar, you can be more detailed. You can add any details that you want. You can choose the orientation, whether you want this to be portrait, square, or landscape, as well as the pose. I want this to be a upper body only pose, or if you want, you can choose full body or just the face. Then after that, you have the style. So you can leave this at unspecified if you're uncertain, but you have realistic, Pixar, cinematic, vintage, noir, and cyberpunk styles available. I'm just going to opt for realistic and then click on generate preview. Once you do that, it's going to take around 15 to 30 seconds to create your own avatar. This can be a highly customized avatar, and if you want to create your own mascot, this is the way to go, because this allows you to create something that is going to be completely unique and that is going to be completely customizable, which you couldn't truly do with a real life person. Now you guys can see I have a few different variations. I personally like this one a lot. And then you can choose to generate again, or you can just click on save to save your own custom avatar. If I want, I'm just going to do generate again to show you guys some variations that it might create for us. And we can see different varieties. You can add more details and edit your prompt according to the results that you see so that your avatar is truly something that fits your business and fits the aesthetic and vibe of your business as well. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds for this to be created. And you guys can see we have 4 different variations. Now I really like this one, so I'm going to click on save. Once we click on save, this is going to move towards the next step of creating our own fully customized AI avatar. Now, with these avatars, you have the ability to choose a voice or add a voice. I'm going to click on add a voice, and we have a few different recommended voice designs that are going to be created in accordance with the appearance of your avatar. So, like so. I can listen to some of these, and we even have a smart voice match. And I'm just going to refresh this. I like this voice because this is slightly cheeky and is opted for narrative stories, but I just think it looks really nice with the character we've built. So I'm going to add this voice, and once we do that, we can train our model. Now, you can click on generate looks on the top right to proceed with creating different looks for this particular character. This is going to allow you to have your model be very ubiquitous in multiple different scenarios or situations or environments. So you can just click on train model and proceed. And that is how you can create your own AI model. However, if you want to just choose one of the pre-built models to build your videos, that also works really well. First off, you can choose if you want to get started with your video or if you want to get started with a certain avatar. So I want to be using this particular avatar here, and I'm just going to click that, and then this will open up a horizontal canvas, and you guys can see on the left I can see all the different styles available for this particular avatar. I want to opt for this one, and I want to proceed with adding my script. So I just want to add something that sounds really natural and organic, such as this has been the best spa experience. Like so. Now, once I've put in the script, I can generate the audio, and keep in mind that your avatar lip sync is applied after your submission. Now, this sounds really amazing. I do like the organic voice that has been selected for this particular project. Now, I can click on the voices, and I can even alter the voices or switch the voices between each avatar. So you guys can see this is the avatar we're using, and if I don't like the organic voice with this, I can browse the HeyGen library and then choose whatever I prefer. And the best part is that you can click and add another scene, and when you add your next scene, you can actually alter the positioning of your avatar like so. And you can even swap the avatar completely. So if I want to swap my avatar, I can just click on replace and then add my own AI generated avatar. So this allows you to create something like product reviews as well as service reviews and many other types of content in a simplistic manner. You can add as many scenes as you want, and this allows you to also add auto captions. Just click on the top right and then click on the caption. Then you're going to select the colors you want to use. Then you can also alter the framing if you want closed framing, if you want circular framing, or normal framing. I'm just going to opt for a normal frame, and then from here I can proceed with my text, and just like so, we have this amazing AI video. Now, if you want to add some b-roll, you can also resize this, remove the background if you only want the AI model to speak and you want to add some b-roll behind them. So I can just place my model over here and then add media and then go into videos, and I can search for any type of video. I'm just going to opt for spa over here. And then I'm just going to add my background video like so. And then my AI video or my AI tool, AI avatar, can keep on speaking about the spa or telling the benefits. And then you can click on preview and preview what your video looks like. Once you're satisfied, just click on generate and your AI model or AI avatar video is ready. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. But if you're looking to get started with HeyGen, keep in mind it's completely free. You can create 3 videos per month completely for free, and your videos can be upwards of 3 minutes long. The creator plan is only $29 and the team plan is only $39. And both of these plans allow you to create unlimited videos, where the creator plan allows you to export with 1080p and 4K with the team plan. And I'll see you guys in the next video.